Hello everyone, just want to make a quick video on this key fob for the 18 Acadia for replacing the battery. Pretty simple. I won't waste your time. Basically, you take the key out by pushing this button here, and then this comes out, the valet key. Then you pry up. I don't know if you can see that. You just pry up here in the center, and there's no button or anything here that you have to push. You're just prying up. So if you like this video and it helps you, give me a like. This is pretty simple. You just pop it up. You have to use a little bit of force, more than you would think, but it doesn't break. There's little clips, just pops apart. So anyway, that's pretty much it. The battery is right here. I found that the pocket knife gets under there better, but this is negative. The positive is down. So you have positive, negative, it goes down. The flat side goes down, negative up, and then you just put it back together. But this just comes out. You have to use some force on that, a little more than you would think, but it doesn't break anything. And again, don't stab yourself. But like a screwdriver would work better here. But definitely gonna struggle with the keys. So get a flathead screwdriver. Get the right tools, pretty easy. You just snap it back together. So give me a like if this helps, and have a nice day.